All right, what's up, guys? So shout out to the team over at Keychron. They sent me this Q4 mechanical keyboard. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and review so you guys know what you're getting straight out of the box with this thing. This is the Q4N1. And like I said, shout out to Keychron for sending this over. I gotta say, the box just off the bat is like really heavy. So I could tell this thing is definitely really high quality. So this is everything that comes with it. The manual, wow, this keyboard is heavy duty. Wow. This is probably the nicest keyboard I've ever. Wow, really nice. And let me get close to hear it so you guys could hear it. Really nice keyboard. Okay, so let's just take everything out real quick. Comes with backup keys. I'm gonna put this off to the side and then do a quick close-up because, I mean, you guys don't care about my face. You wanna see the keyboard. So first off, comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable with a USB-A adapter, which is super nice. But let's get right to the keyboard. Really nice keyboard. First off, the keys are like really clean, and they feel unbelievable when you click them. It's very easy to like swap out these keys as they come with backups. It has these this like, I think, yeah, this is aluminum. It has an aluminum build quality. So that's why it's a little bit heavy, but this thing is like heavy duty. It has QMK and VIA programmability as well. Compatible with Mac or Windows. And yes, the switches can be replaced without soldering, which is super nice. It does work for both Mac and Windows. Here is the Mac and the Windows setting. So it has Mac and then it also has Windows. That's where you plug it in via USB-C. You can customize the keys via like QMK and VIA software. And overall, I know everyone wants to like really like hear what they sound like. So I'm gonna get it close to the mic. Really nice keyboard. Comes with these extra parts as well. If anyone has any specific questions, just drop them below.